Getting slow download speeds on Steam? Let me show you a few ways you can potentially boost that speed. To start, I recommend opening up your browser and running an internet speed test. This will give you a clear idea of how fast your internet currently is. Quick tip for those who may not know, using an Ethernet cable often delivers much faster speeds than Wi-Fi. So, if you've got the option, definitely consider switching to Ethernet. Next up, open Steam. Click Steam in the top left corner, go to Settings, and make sure you're on the Downloads tab. At the top of this section, you'll find Download Region. Click that, and you'll see a list of Steam servers. You'll want to pick the server that's geographically closest to your location for the best performance. As you go down the settings list, allow downloads during gameplay. Feel free to leave this checked. Throttle downloads while streaming. Make sure this one is unchecked. Display download rates in bits per second. This can be left checked if you prefer. Limit bandwidth. Make sure this setting is disabled, because if it's enabled, it'll cap your download speed. Another useful option here. If you'd like Steam to automatically update your games during specific hours, like overnight when nobody else is using the internet, you can check that option and set your preferred times. If you've done all of this and you're still experiencing slow speeds, another thing to try is clearing your download cache. This can sometimes fix download speed issues. Just keep in mind that clearing the cache will sign you out of Steam, so you'll need to log in again afterward. You can also try this small trick. In the bottom right, click on Friends and Chat. At the top, click the drop-down arrow and switch your status to offline. This might help free up some bandwidth. Now let's go over a few things on your PC that could also be affecting your download speeds. Go to your search bar and type in Settings, then head into Network and Internet. Once you're there, click on Properties under your current internet connection. Scroll down and look for Metered Connection. Make sure that's turned off. Go back to the previous menu and click on Data Usage. Here you'll see which apps are using the most data. If there are apps that you rarely use or don't need, and they're taking up a lot of bandwidth, go ahead and uninstall them. This can really help free up your internet. Lastly, go to the search bar again and type in Background Apps. You'll see a list of apps currently running in the background. I suggest disabling any that you don't actually need. Background apps can use up internet resources and may be part of the reason your downloads are running slow. Want to keep watching? Go check out one of these two videos.